So before construction begins on site, you need to get the council on board. So is your resource consent still valid? What are the conditions that have been applied or attached to that resource consent? Is the building consent still valid? Now, building consents in Auckland are only valid for a year, and if you don't start building within the year, you need to reapply and extend your building consent. Yes, really. So invite the council along before you start building to notify them that you are building. Get the whole design and construction team together and talk before you start building. It's basically the start of the project on site. You need to check that all the design documents have been delivered and approved. Have they been coordinated and integrated? So the trouble is, we as structural engineers want to design concrete and steel. There's other engineers who are providing the services, and they all want to put holes in your concrete. And some of those holes can be rather large. You will need to allow for those holes and put them on your structural drawings, because if you're not on the structural drawings, they will get missed. And get the shop drawings done and signed off as soon as you can, as soon as you begin construction, basically, preferably before you need the panels. Get the temporary works designed and signed off as well. All of this before the construction really begins. And plan the site. One of the aspects, of course, you're entirely dependent on a crane, and you plan the site to have a crane. Is it going to be a static permanent crane? Is it going to be a mobile crane? If so, what's the routes in and out? If it's a congested site, how do you get the crane erected? And then how do you get the crane dismantled as well?